Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we bring you the most extraordinary vehicles the world has to offer. Today, get ready, because what you're about to see isn't just a motorhome. It's Peugeot's 2026 masterpiece, a hybrid-powered road palace that could completely change the way you think about travel. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Peugeot 2026 motorhome commands attention. The exterior is a perfect balance of elegance and power. Sleek, aerodynamic curves flow into Peugeot's signature bold grille, while futuristic LED light strips run along the edges, creating a glowing frame that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi film. Its alloy wheels aren't just for style, they're engineered for stability and smooth performance, whether you're cruising the highway or navigating winding mountain passes. The real magic begins under the skin. This isn't just a big RV with an engine, it's powered by Peugeot's next-generation hybrid system, combining a turbocharged petrol engine with high-output electric motors. This gives you the option for near-silent, zero-emission electric cruising for up to 150 miles, perfect for gliding into nature without disturbing a single bird. But when you need to cover long distances, the petrol engine kicks in seamlessly, giving you the freedom to go anywhere without charging anxiety. Step inside and it's like walking into a luxury penthouse suite on wheels. The open-plan living area features panoramic smart glass windows that tint at the touch of a button, offering privacy or sunshine whenever you want. Plush leather seating wraps around a space centered by a 75-inch 4K smart TV that elegantly retracts into the cabinetry when not in use. Subtle ambient lighting gives the whole space a warm, inviting glow. The kitchen is designed for true food lovers. Full-sized induction cooktop, AI-assisted oven, a smart fridge that manages your groceries, and even a self-cleaning sink. Whether you're making coffee or a 5-course dinner, this space is built to impress. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom offers a king-size bed with memory foam and climate-control technology, perfect for restful nights. A skylight above the bed gives you a stargazing experience you'll never forget. The bathroom is equally stunning: heated floors, a rainfall shower with multiple modes, and built-in aromatherapy to keep you relaxed. Technology runs through every detail. Voice-activated controls manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and even the retractable exterior awning. Integrated solar panels keep your battery topped up, making off-grid living easier than ever. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a bold statement about the future of sustainable luxury travel. The Peugeot 2026 hybrid motorhome doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. And trust me, once you've experienced this level of comfort and innovation, there's no going back.